So working with HotJar and WordPress is very simple. So in order to install the HotJar code onto your WordPress site, we are going to need a couple of things. First, a HotJar account, and two, we need obviously the WordPress site, access to the admin account, and number three, we are going to need a WordPress plugin called WP Code. So first, head over to HotJar and create your account. You have two options: either log in and type in your full name, information, email, password, and stuff like that, or you can just sign up with Gmail. So for me, I'm going to sign up with Gmail. So after you sign up, the first thing that is going to prompt you is your organization name. So I'm just going to type it in as Kofi Dev, and obviously the size of your organization. What is your role? So we are going to put marketing. Click I don't know yet. And for the site, you can enter your site, but for me, I'm just gonna click I'll do it later. Since I don't have a published site to show this with you guys, I'm just going to show you how to install that. So after you register and go through that process, it's going to give you a code, and this code is supposed to be in the head of your site. So if you are familiar with coding, you have the head tag, you have the body tag, you have the footer. This code specifically, when you copy it, is going to go into the head tag. Now we're going to head over to our WordPress dashboard, and on the left side, there's going to be a dark menu bar, and on that menu bar there is going to be a plugin. Hover over that and click add new plugin. On your right, you're going to search WP code and press enter. This is the plugin that we will need, and also I'll put the link in the description. For me, it seems like I already installed it, but not activated yet. So for you, it's gonna show as installed now. So click install now. After it install, it's going to give you this button to activate, and click activate, and your plugin is going to be activated. Back to that dark menu bar, there is going to be a code snippet option in the menu. Click on it. So click on the code snippet and click add new and blank snippet and HTML snippet. So here we can give it a title. We're just gonna call it HotJar tracking code. And we're going to go back into HotJar, copy this code, and paste it into this code editor. Scroll down. So here you have the option to insert it as a shortcode or auto insert. So this one is just gonna automatically put it into your code. For the shortcode, if you know how shortcodes work, you can basically create a shortcode and later use that shortcode, which is basically a code snippet, later when you are working on your site. But now we're going to use auto insert, and you have the option to choose where you want the code to be. We can choose site-wide header, site-wide footer, site-wide body, and different areas. If you want to do specific page, you have a specific page here, but we're going to do the global one. Choose site-wide header and scroll down. On device type, we're going to choose any device type. click save snippet. So yeah, the code snippet is actually saved, but it's not active yet. So that means that it's not going to show up on the site yet. We have to activate it in order for it to work. So click on activate and update. So now we can go to our site, and if we view the page source, you will see our HotJar tracking code, which means that it is working.